Good morning. Here we are in the gym on a Wednesday morning for our active rest day. Taking a break from the weights today. I'm gonna get in a stretch routine. It's a yoga routine called Slow Salutation. It's kind of a lower back stretch and kind of full body. It's a slow routine, slow, deliberate stretch routine. Supposed to focus on the stretch. So don't remember how dang long it takes, a little over 10 minutes. It's 9 moves, 2 rounds, and each round has 9 moves. It's basically duplicating the same moves in 2 rounds. So we'll get that stretch routine done. We'll head out on a walk, and then we'll come back and chat. So okay, let's get this Wednesday on the road, get on over the hump today, and we will get the week on the downhill side is what I'm trying to get to here. So anyway, let's do this, and nothing to it but to do it. Here we go. I said it again, twice in 1 week. All right, here we go. Let's hit it. Well, that does it for Wednesday. We've got the active rest day done. Got the old yoga routine, the slow salutation. That was a great stretch. I really honed in on that one at this time compared to previous time. Previous times I just went through the stretch. This time I did take it slow and just tried to push further than, like the hamstring stretch, standing bend stretch, bend over stretch. And anyway, just spent some time on that and trying to get my hands down to the floor. Of course, my knees would bend a little bit. The second time through, or second round through, I tried to make it where my knees didn't bend as much, and I wasn't trying to hit the floor so much with my hands. More focused on getting that stretch down through my hamstring, behind my knee, and into my calves. So anyway, and then the other floor stretches went well too. The up dog and downward facing dog poses, those two, those were really good. Of course, the planks are always good for some core. And anyway, so that went really well. Could tell I was a little bit sore. Squats I wasn't sore from, despite the intensity of the workout, but I'm still sore in the chest from my upper body workout. So, right out here, still sore right out there. So anyway, we'll see how they recover by tomorrow. So tomorrow we've got our back day, so we'll be out for the old pull-ups with the blue band. So maybe we'll try to hit the green band for the last set. We'll see how the first 3 sets go with the blue band, and we'll decide at that point whether we'll grab that green band and then continue with the green band next week. And anyway, so we'll let you guys go. I'm gonna head on in, get this Wednesday on the road, get on over the hump and head on the downhill side. So you guys have a great Wednesday. Get some longevity training in so you can meet age with grace, folks. Go do it. All right, we'll talk to you later. See ya.